Hello everyone, this is Monica Chiller here. Welcome to the YouTube channel of Shri Rama Bharati Public School. Today we are discussing about chapter 3 from 12th Business Studies, that is Business Environment. Let's start the chapter with the layout. Layout means the topics which we are going to cover in this chapter. Especially in this video, we will cover introduction, characteristics and its significance. Right? Now, let's start with the introduction part. As you can see that business environment can be defined as surroundings within which the business activities are operated to achieve the determined objectives. Let me explain the name of the chapter first. It consists of two words, business and environment. Environment here means surroundings. Those surroundings which can affect the functioning of a business either directly or indirectly. Right? There are many factors or numerous factors which can affect the functioning or performance of an organization. All such factors are considered under business environment. Right? Now, have a look on the characteristics. There are many characteristics. Let's start with the first one, that is totality of external forces. It means there are various factors which can affect the functioning. For example, political factors, economic factors, social, technological and legal factors. These are the factors which are beyond the control of an organization, and these can affect the performance of an organization. Now, the next one is interrelatedness. All these factors are interdependent or interrelated, means they are dependent upon each other. The cause of one factor may become the effect of another factor. For example, government rules and regulations can affect the demand of a product. Right? Next is dynamic nature. Dynamic means changes. Means there are different changes or various changes taking place in the business environment very frequently. Managers need to observe the changes which are taking place in the surroundings, so that accordingly changes can be made in the system. So we can say that business environment is dynamic by nature. Next is uncertainty. Business environment is uncertain by nature. Means future is uncertain, even we don't know what can be with us in the next moment. In the same way, managers or businessmen don't know what will be in the near future. But apart from uncertainty, it is very important to study or observe the surroundings within which the business is operated. Right? Move to the next point, that is complexity. Complexity means difficult. It is very difficult to study business environment because many factors are involved in it, but still it is necessity for the managers to observe the surroundings on regular basis. Now the last characteristic is relativity. This term is given in wider sense. That means that business environment is at worldwide level. Due to globalization, the functioning of one economy can affect the functioning of another economy. Because globalization is there, whole world is treated as a single market. So business environment is a term which is very wide by nature. I hope it is clear to everyone. Now, move to the next topic, that is importance or significance. You can see in total 5 points are there, but out of 5, first and second is most important, as the words are highlighted here. First one is it helps in getting first mover advantage. I'll explain this point with the help of one example. For example, one industry is there, let's say food industry, and 4 firms are working under that industry. Out of 4, one firm is very keen to know that what is happening in the surroundings, because they are taking first step to adopt the changes as per the surroundings. So no doubt the same firm will get first mover advantage over others. So this is an advantage which firm can take over others by the study of business environment. Right? Next is, it helps in identifying early warning signals. Warning here means challenges. So with the help of business environment, it can be identified that what are the challenges in the upcoming future or in the upcoming time which can be faced by the businessman, so that accordingly planning can be done. Next is, it helps in coping with rapid changes. Rapid means fast. So with the help of business environment, the changes can be adopted very soon, because by this term businessman came to know that what are the changes taking place. Then accordingly the changes will be made in the system by the management. Right? Now the next one is, it helps in improving performance. No doubt the performance of the organization will be improved if they are studying business environment regularly. They are observing the things, what is happening in the surrounding, and accordingly they are taking immediate action, then performance will be improved. Now last but not least is, it helps in planning and policy formulation. Business environment helps in making various plans or to formulate the policies for the future, because on the basis of this study only policies will be formulated and then same will be implemented in an organization. Overall, we can say that business environment is a very important term which need to be studied on regular basis by the managers to achieve the predetermined objectives. That's all about introduction, characteristics and importance of business environment. Remaining topics will be explained to you in my next video. Thank you so much.